Hey, it's Paul Venables here, and now I'm going to show you some additional sites that we've added to My Traffic Jacker 2.0. And pay close attention because I'm also going to be showing you results of domains that have been expired on authority sites and places that have a lot of traffic, some of which may even be available right now for you to pick up. So here's a search we did by using the Quora website we have inside of My Traffic Jacker for this keyword, custom keto diet free. This keyword was found by using the keyword search tool that we have built inside of My Traffic Jacker to find various versions of a root keyword, to find different related keywords to search for. And although this wouldn't be a keyword I would normally search, I'm actually pretty glad that it was, because we were able to find an enormous amount of results. As you can see right here, 275 target links. And so if you see on my scroll bar here, we have a ton of results to look through. And I can just click has available domains, and then you'll see we have lots that are available and ready to pick up right away. Some of them may be getting targeted traffic, and some of them may have page authority and domain authority as well that we could use to backlink one of our properties that we want to rank higher. And the first result we see here is ketomealhero.com. As you can see, we can pick it up in Namecheap or GoDaddy. And if we were to click right into here, we could view the article in Quora where this domain has been mentioned. So right here, what we have is a little question: can you share a simple keto meal plan for a beginner? And if we scroll a little bit lower, we'll discover this answer right here, where we have our expired domain that's been found with My Traffic Jacker 2.0. And it has 4.2 thousand views for this answer and 42 upvotes. So lots of views here just for this one question. And there are several other links, of course, so this is not going to get all the attention just from this one link, because there's other links that have been dropped as well. But it's nice to see it's right here. It's coming in #1, and there's a bunch of views to it. So if you're interested in pursuing the keto niche, or you already have some properties that you want to build more traffic and authority to, this could be something worth picking up. Going back, we can then confirm in Namecheap real quick that this domain is available. And if you want to look more into the domain, you can click on the actions button and then click the ocean search to find everything associated to this domain as well. So now I just want to show you some results that were found in Forbes, which is just one of the many other sites that you'll get access to in the upgrade option. So in this example, I'm just going to do a quick search for saving money and then click create and see what we can find for that keyword. And because I'm using Forbes, there should be a lot of different articles that are, and as you can see here, it already found 99 results and 1,799 links and 34 target links. So those mean links that are broken and could be available to pick up. Now, even though some may say that they're not available to buy right now, we've still added in the functionality for you to manually recheck and also put in an alert so that you will know exactly when it expires. So this is not available. And so there's 34 of them in here if we wanted to go through and take a closer look. So after combing through a few links, you may find some that come up like the happy hour finder here that I've been trying to load up top here for a little while, and it just keeps on saying that it's waiting. So obviously there's something, this is one of the many broken links that we found, and it doesn't seem to be working. So we can just go into Whois, check it out, see that it's expiring in January. And that we can set a little reminder here by clicking this bell button to let us know when it's going to expire. Because as you can see, look, this is what just happened here. That it says the site can't be reached. There's some serious problems going on with it, and they may just have forgotten about it, and it may just be a matter of time for when that domain is set to renew and it drops and becomes available for you to come and buy it. So now I want to show you another example as well with using the BBC for doing a search on an investment term and finding an expired domain with authority that we can use to rank higher in the search engines. So when we click into has available domains, we'll find the domain that's been expired, and then we can simply just copy and paste that domain to check on the domain authority by using a free domain authority checking resource like we have here. So we can just paste in our domain here. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take this specific URL that we found from the BBC and add it in here as well, because we want to check out the page authority. Now, the domain authority is not going to change no matter where it is in the BBC, because bbc.com is the domain, but the page authority will, because some pages of that site will be more authoritative than others. And so I'm just going to click that I'm not a robot and then check this real quick. Okay, great. So now we can see, it's kind of hard to tell, but this starting in MA will indicate that it's that domain, and this one here will be the BBC one. As you can see, the domain authority in the BBC is 95. The page authority, so the authority of that page where my backlink is, where the website is that I'm going to buy, that one is a 44. And then the site that we can just buy right now because it's expired and ready to pick up, that has a domain authority of 13 and page authority of 14. So not only does that have authority right there, but we can also have a backlink from the BBC that's on a specific page with a page authority of 44. So that's a very strong backlink. So in the investment niche where this is from, if we had a YouTube video or website in that niche, then we can get a relevant backlink with page authority and domain authority. That's also getting a very powerful backlink to that. So that overall looks very natural and can help us rank higher. And not only that, but a site like the BBC does get a lot of readers and a lot of traffic. So you could be getting more targeted traffic to your link, and you could use it as a selling point as well, having a link in the BBC if you wanted to flip a domain like this for a profit.